Previously, we mentioned that inputs by default take in data as a string. This can cause issues when we want to perform calculations on numbers entered through inputs. On screen is a pre-written example of two inputs being assigned to different variables called num1 and num2. Afterwards, we are adding both these variables together. Let's have a look how this runs. For num1, I'm going to enter the number 2. And for num2, I'm going to enter the number 3. We would assume that when the calculation runs in Python, our program would output the result of the calculation, which should be the number 5. As you can see, this is not the case, and our program instead outputs the string 23. This is because we're actually adding the character 2 and the character 3 together, instead of the integers. Luckily, solving this is pretty easy. We need to use the int function. Anything inside the brackets of this function will be cast or transformed to an integer. We can put it into action in our code like so. Now that my inputs will be cast to integers, let's run the program again. If we enter the same values again, 2 and 3, we should now get the expected result of 5.